We're excited about the upcoming season. We're still a long ways away, Dave. You know, there's a lot of talk of us being a top 25 preseason ranked team and a chance to be OVC champions. Of course, you know, this time of year you're optimistic. If you're not optimistic about your team now, you never will be. But, you know, I don't know that we've arrived yet. We still have a lot of work to do just from skill level and just in our mentality and overall culture of the program. But we made tremendous strides in the last part of the season. I thought we had a good off season. The big concern going into this year for us is just depth purposes. I mean, we are very thin, thinner than I've probably ever been. But our frontline players are good, but we just got to be healthy, come closer together as a team. But again, we're excited, looking forward to it. There's no time of the year to me that is more fun than you know, you getting ready to tee it up for camp and see what type of team you're going to have for the upcoming season. So much work to do in these last few weeks, tying up summer school, you know, making sure that our rosters are complete, that we, you know, all of our walk-ons are in, the signees have done things. People don't realize what great links you have to go to get eligible through the NCAA clearinghouse. And in fact, we just got out of a meeting this morning. 30 minutes of it was spent on, hey, this guy needs to fill out this paper through the clearinghouse. This guy needs to do this. So there's a lot of things that have to take place to field a football team, but you got to make some decisions. You can only bring 95 into camp. NCAA was gracious enough to get us to 95 from 90 last year, but you know, you got to make some tough decisions there. And again, we're still trying to build us up a good core of walk-on athletes that can come in. So you know, we're trying to figure out, you know, do we bring this guy in or do we bring this guy in? And you know, you never know what you're going to need throughout the course of a season. But there's a lot of work that goes in. You just don't just show up day one and hey, everybody's ready to go.